Hello everyone, it's Mr. Kennedy here. I'm going to make this video to give a little tutorial to help us out navigating our way through Canvas and submitting some assignments. A lot of us are doing a great job. I know some of us are kind of struggling, having some problems, so I decided to make this video. Hopefully this will help you out. All right, if you look here, this is my dashboard. Okay, yours may look a little different. Okay, similar but some differences. Over here on the right hand side, you'll see a to-do. Okay, for me, it's things that I need to grade from students that have submitted some things. And for you, it should show your assignments. Now, if your screen does not look like this with these cards up here, this is the view you want to be in. Okay, you want to have this in what we call card view. And if it's not like this, you're going to come up here to these three dots or these ellipses. You click on this as dashboard view, and I've already got card view. Okay, your screen may look like this. Okay, and if you're in this view, which is the list view, okay, as you saw in card view, I had a ton of things to do. Okay, but in this view, it shows me that I have nothing to do. So if you're in this view, you may think that you have nothing to do when in actuality, you may have quite a few assignments. Okay, or you may be in recent activity view, okay, which looks like this. And it does give you the to-do list over on the side here, and then it shows some recent activity of things that have gone on. All right, so but you really want to be in this view. You want to be in card view because it'll show you all the classes. For me, these are all the classes that I have. All right, so I'm just going to click into one, and then I'm going to change my view to student view to see what you see. Okay, now some of us are having trouble with submitting an assignment. Okay, I want to start with the fitness log or the activity log first. Okay, first of all, this activity log is for the entire week. If you look right here, it says activity log submission week of 9/28. Okay, 9/28 was yesterday, was Monday. Okay, so it's the week starting on the 28th. All right, I should not receive your fitness log already. All right, these submission logs or these physical activity logs should not be submitted any earlier than Friday. Okay, if you look at this log, actually, this is just the submission. Let me go back. All right, if you look at the actual, let me go to the actual activity log. I have it where you can fill out your activity for 7 days, which is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. It gives you the whole week to fill in your activities. Okay, so what you would do is you would download this activity log. If you're using a device from school, you have Microsoft Word on your device, so this should download and go into Microsoft Word. Okay, and it will show up just like this. And then when it's in Microsoft Word, you'll click Enable Editing. Let me see if I can bring that up just to show you. Okay, so here it is in Microsoft Word. Right up here it says Protected View, Enable Editing. I need to click that so that now I can fill it in. Okay, up top here is just a sample day. It's just to show you how you would fill it out. Okay, day one, up here, like it says active outside. That's fine. You can write that. I played outside with my brother. I went for a run. Also put in the time about how long you did it. Went for a run 30 minutes. Okay, maybe that's the only thing you did for that day. That's fine. And then in the total over here, 30 minutes. Okay, so I didn't do anything on Tuesday. Didn't do anything on Wednesday. So on Thursday, I did my mindfulness breathing that Mr. Kennedy showed. That counts. That's a physical activity. Mindfulness, okay, maybe you only did it for 5 minutes. That's okay. It's an activity. Then I did some push-ups and sit-ups. Okay. That took me, maybe I did it a bunch of times and it took me 15 minutes. Okay, and then nothing else. So then I added up, I got 20 minutes. Okay, and you fill this out for every day. Maybe it'll help. Maybe I can change this. So instead of saying day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I'll put in the day names, and maybe that'll help you. I'll change that for next week, actually. But for right now, fill it out. And then, okay, if you don't want to fill out Saturday and Sunday, that's okay. I get it. But please do not submit this before Friday. You have all week. I want to know what you're doing all week, okay, with your physical activity. All right, then you fill it out. You need to save it. Okay, it's not on my screen right now, but there's a little button to save. You would save your file. I would do this every day. Okay, Monday I fill it out, save it. Okay, Tuesday I did something. I'm going to open it back up. I'm going to fill it out. I went swimming. I know it's a little cold for swimming, but maybe you went inside. Maybe you're on a team and you have an indoor pool that you go to. Okay, swimming 1 hour. And then I put it in here 1 hour. Okay, and then I save it. And then I open it up Wednesday when I do something. I keep saving it until I'm all done with it. I'm not going to save that right now. Okay, and then when I'm here, I'm going to go back to my module. Down here where it says physical activity log submission for this week, I'll click in that. Now, there are 2 ways for the physical activity log that I'm allowing you to submit. You can first go up here to click submit assignment. Now, you can do a file upload, and that's what we just did. So you would go in, you would choose your file, you would find that physical activity log, click on that, and you would submit it that way. It would show up right here where it says no file chosen. It would show up whatever you named your file, and then you click submit assignment. If you cannot or do not want to do it that way, you can just type in what you've done. But I would suggest that you keep it written somewhere throughout the weeks. So just like I did on the Word document, I'd keep a piece of paper where you can write down Monday, I did this for 10 minutes. Tuesday, I played outside with my little brother for 2 hours. Okay, and type it down so that when you type it, it looks like this. Okay, I've already had some people submit me things, and it just says, oh, I played outside all weekend. I played baseball a lot. That's not telling me what I need to know. Okay, this is how you need to do it. Monday, this is the format we really need you to do it. Monday, rode my bike with my friends, 1 hour. Tuesday, did push-ups, sit-ups for 10 minutes, rake some leaves for an hour. I need it broken down by day and about how long. It doesn't need to be exact. Okay, I did push-ups for 2 minutes and 17 seconds. Okay. But I do need it broken down by day and about how long you're doing it for the entire week, please. Okay, not just I played baseball a lot. That's not going to cut it. Okay, we're in 6th and 7th grade now, and this is going to be the way we're doing things all year, so we got to get used to it, and we got to get used to it kind of fast. Okay, so if you type it in text entry, finish typing, and you click submit assignment. Okay, that's how we're doing the physical activity log. Again, please wait till at least Friday. I'm not going to accept a physical activity log. Some of you have submitted it. I put in a comment. I did not grade it because I'm not accepting it. Okay. So let's go back. I'm not trying to be mean here, folks, but this is kind of the way things are. And phys ed is just as important as any of your other classes, okay? 6th graders are new to how things are going to get graded now, so I'm going to explain this real quick. All your specials classes, your grade counts just as much as ELA, math, science, social studies. All of these grades, you're going to start getting a number grade up to 100, and you get an average, okay? Our grade counts just as much as any other grade. So if you're not doing the work in here, you're going to get a 0, and it's really going to pull your grade point average down. Or get a low grade, maybe not a 0. You may get some low grades. So you need to do all the work in your specials classes just like you do for your core classes like math and ELA and science and social studies. Okay? The other thing, when you are submitting another assignment, so these PowerPoint review questions, please look at the PowerPoint before you answer the questions. Some of us have submitted the answers to these questions and they are completely wrong. I can tell you didn't even go and look at the PowerPoint. The answers are in the PowerPoint. Okay, so I think question 3 asks, pick a standard and explain it in your own answer, or in your own words, excuse me. So here are the standards. These are what we're learning in physical education. Every class has standards. If you came to the Teams meeting, I kind of explained that, and I broke all of these down very simply. So if you're at the Teams meeting that we had on Thursday, then this part should be no problem. So these are the standards. You're going to pick one of them. So I'm going to say standard 3. The physically literate individual demonstrates the knowledge and skills to achieve and maintain a health-enhancing level of physical activity and fitness. What does that mean? That just means that I know things and I have the skills to be healthy, okay, and to do physical activities in a healthy way. All right, that's all that's asking. Okay, saying your standard is that you're going to stay healthy, that's not really answering the question. Okay. Oops. So, student view. Now, I hope that answered some of your questions on submitting an assignment. Oh, excuse me. So let me go back to that actually. When you're submitting these answers, with these assignments, you are allowed to submit 3 ways. Okay, so I click submit assignment. You'll notice here's another tab, media. Okay, if you click media, I've had some people already do an assignment this way. You can record either just your voice or a video of you answering the questions. I had some friends doing it with the getting to know me. Nobody did it with the PowerPoint questions yet, but the getting to know me and the mindfulness lesson, I had some friends do the media submission, and that's completely okay. All right, that's why I put it up there. I'll listen to what you have to say. If it's easier for you to just talk it out, I'm okay with that. Or you can text entry, or you can file upload, which I don't think I put these questions. I meant to, and I did not put the file, but you can create your own file. Okay, you can go to Microsoft Word, start a blank document, and answer the questions there and upload it. Okay, so I always give you at least 2 ways to submit an assignment. Okay, now I hope that has answered some of your questions. If you have more questions, remember you can email us. You can email me on Canvas, or my messaging and Mrs. Goodness's messaging is open through Clever. Okay. If it's something where I can't type it out to you to answer your question, maybe we can set up a Teams meeting and get together and talk it through. I could share my screen and we can do it kind of like I did this. All right. So I hope this helped everybody. And if you have any questions, remember, get a hold of one of us and we will absolutely help you out. Thanks.